Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me your subject teacher Ms. Javeria Gill, and we will revise in week 3 and 4 the topic Allah is all powerful. Allah is the doer of whatever He wills, and when He wills a thing to be, He needs no one's help. Allah is the one, the first, nothing is before Him, the last, nothing is after Him, the most high, nothing is above Him, the most near, nothing is beyond in His reach. He begets not, nor was He begotten, the Creator, Provider, and all-rich, the all-seer, the all-knower. He is one and self-sufficient. He is not nature or any part of it. Allah is He who has created the heavens and the earth and sent down water from the sky, and thereby brought forth fruits as provisions for you, and He has made the ships to be service to you, that they may sail through the sea by His command, and He has made rivers also to be of service to you. Now students, the Quran has related the story of Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam. Long ago, many people in a town worshipped stone. They used to make and sell these stones they worshipped. They did not worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent a prophet to tell them the truth. His name was Ibrahim alayhis salam. Ibrahim alayhis salam loved his family very much. He told his family to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But his father didn't want to listen to him and kept on worshipping stone. Many other people also don't listen to Ibrahim alayhis salam. So Ibrahim alayhis salam thought of an idea to teach his family and other people that worshipping stone is useless. When all of the people went to a festival, Ibrahim alayhis salam broke all of the idols with an axe. He broke all the idols, but he left the biggest idol and put the axe near that idol. When all the people returned, they saw all their stones, idols, broken. They asked Ibrahim alayhis salam, who did this? He said, why don't you ask the biggest idol? He should know. The people said, but the idols cannot talk. The Ibrahim alayhis salam replied, how can you worship something that cannot speak or do anything? Hazrat Ibrahim alayhis salam wanted the people to realize that stone idols cannot speak and then cannot do anything. But the people still didn't listen. They became even more angry with Ibrahim alayhis salam. They made a huge fire and they wanted to put Ibrahim alayhis salam in it, and they threw him in the fire. The flames might have consumed him, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to show the people He could do anything. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told the fire to be cooled down and not to hurt Ibrahim alayhis salam. All the people were amazed that the fire wasn't hurting Ibrahim alayhis salam. But they still did not believe in Allah and they still worshipped idols. The message of this story is that you should trust Allah and Allah will always help you. Now, dear student, it's your homework time, and this homework you have to do in your copies. For week 3, your question is, which prophet's story is discussed in the chapter? Make a summary of how Allah is all powerful and write the conclusion of the story in your copy. In week 4, find out 10 verbs from the lesson and make at least 10 fill in the blanks from the lesson by your own. This you have to do also in your copy. Thank you so much students. Take care and Allah Hafiz.